I really like the 1955 Horsebit collection. What do you guys think? So here are a couple of styles that I looked at online before going into the store. I really like that one. I bet it has a lot of space. I like this barrel style too. Okay, all dressed. Here we go. Let's get to the store. I tried on a couple of different styles. This one was really cute in person. Lots of space like I thought. I like that one with the black leather. This one just really caught my eye. I tried that one on quite a few times. I also like this vanity. It was cute, but then I would have to figure out what to do as far as a strap. Oh, and I got sidetracked and went to Chanel also. That one is so cute. And so was that one. Okay, so here is what I purchased. Am I the only one that gets annoyed with very slow unboxing? Like, unbox the bag and let me see. Okay, so here are the mod shots of the style that I decided to go with. I am 5'9", so you are able to see exactly where it stops at on me. I was wearing it on the last adjustable hole. Okay, so the important part, what fits inside. I own an iPhone 13 mini, but the one that I just put inside of the purse was an iPhone 7. I'm filming on the 13 mini. So my keys, I also have a credit card holder, lip gloss. You can fit quite a few things in here. I'm not a heavy packer. This is perfect for travel. Here's another scenario. There's a lipstick, AirPods, well, the cheaper version, the iPhone 7, and a pack of gum. Once again, it's perfect for travel. You don't want to overstuff it. It fits all of the essentials. Here are the dimensions. It has 7 adjustable holes and the strap is like 19.5 inches long. I wear my bag with everything. I love it with all colors. I really love it with linen. It looks great against black outfits. I've already scratched it. I don't know what happened there. It's a small bag, but it has a really huge wow factor. They've added the horizontal style. This one is also cute. It comes in the beige and then the brown canvas.